uploaded a video 2 days ago and the video got deleted. This is my week into using my iPhone, and yeah, I don't know what the hell happened. I'm low-key pissed. It was raining. It was supposed to be like a wet type of video day, but you know, I ain't driving in about 2 days now, so it's a little bit wet outside on the ground, but not as wet as I wanted it to be like the other day. But we're gonna get a smooth POV. She probably gonna hook today. Not gonna lie to y'all, she probably gonna hook today. And old cat, y'all see the battle stars and shit. I was thinking I need a whole new bumper, but I don't think so. If I can get someone to shave this right here, line this up, and then line this little shit up right here, I'll be good. I got zip ties holding this up and shit. But yeah, other than that, I'll be good. We ready to hop in the car, man. Get y'all a little cold start, motherfucker. I do have an exhaust leak. I got the parts in the mail. They just arrived. So, yeah. Let me know how she sounds. Y'all hear that leak up here? That's my exhaust gas leak. But back here though, motherfucker sound clean. Oh, nothing that camera leg. It's getting wet. I feel what I'm telling you, no cat. Right, this way closer X. Press that little. I'm ready to go to the bank real quick. I thought I might as well just record for y'all, you feel me?
12 seconds later.
Oh my God, look, I like my camera. Oh my gosh. A nigga just seemed keen by accident, Diamond. Niggas just seemed keen. I'm looking behind me because his shit way too loud. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go ahead and put on my seatbelt. Turn on traffic control. I know he gonna try to take off. I already know he gonna try to take off. I just put gas in this bitch too. God damn, Kim Chang. Shit. I was ready to catch his ass too. He was slipping. I was ready to catch his shit. He gonna make me fuck up my brakes. Nigga, my whole braking system's fucked up. I can't even hear the flames coming out my shit. Damn, boy. Shit, that motherfucker loud as a motherfucker, though. Can't even hear my shit, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I hear that idle. Idle sound crazy. Toof. I don't know if y'all can. Yeah, I think the camera angle good enough and shit. Shit looking real spicy, looking real juicy and shit like that. What? Just make this a clip or make this a real like video or something. I don't know. But the way he be dragging, boy, I don't be dragging like that. Oh my goodness. He do not care about the Mexican police out here. He do not care, bro. Like, oh my goodness. That shit crazy. We gonna see what he gonna do right here at this light, but I can't even see. I can't even hear my flames, bro. He said my flames is loud, nigga. Your shit is binoculars, nigga. What did he say? I don't know if he was full throttle just now, but I was just keeping up with his ass, though. God damn. Fuck. I seen him on the road, had to make a U-turn, you feel me? I had to make a U-turn, but I do gotta get some gas now. Not gonna lie. Okay. He's still going. Yeah, y'all probably gonna hear him shoot. Hear that? Still shooting. God damn, King. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This is gonna be an add-on, because I seen him like last week too. So this is gonna be an add-on from that for real. I need some gas now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna add that clip on with this one. Oh my gosh, that motherfucking scat loud. I ain't gonna lie, we just ran it. He took off first. He ain't really going nowhere. My shit keeping up with a Scatpack. Not gonna lie. I just wish we can really get a clean run. He ain't hit a horn or nothing. But it's alright though. I'm gonna see you next time. Ta. Peace. Oh, I hate Little Liberty Road, man. Yeah, I gotta get some gas, no cap.
Thank you, come again.